Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Mistfall Hunter not installing on Xbox. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in vs reset, which will reset, and then press enter, which will reset your Microsoft Store, and then you should be able, hopefully, to download the game. If that doesn't work, exit out of this. If that doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is go to search, type in cmd. Now click run as administrator, and then click OK. And here you want to fix your corrupted system file. So here's what you're going to do. Type in sfc /scan now and then enter. And this will take a minute for it to complete. And after it's done, try then relaunching the Xbox app and installing the game. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is fix the Xbox app. So type in search Xbox app, right click on it. Go to app settings. Now here you want to find the reset and you want to click repair and let it repair the Xbox app. And after it's done, you want to click here reset also, and it will reset the app and then it should work properly. And after that is done, go to search, open the Xbox app and see if the game is downloadable now. Now, if that doesn't work, now you want to type in Microsoft Store and search, right click on it again, go to app settings, scroll down till you find reset and click here repair, let it repair the app and then click reset and then it will reset the components. Now you want to exit out of this. Now open the Microsoft Store again, see if you can install the game again. Now if nothing else works, the last thing you want to do is type in Windows PowerShell, right click on it, click run as administrator, click yes. Now in here you want to paste these two commands. So the first command, you're going to paste it here and then press enter. Now if nothing happens here, you want to paste the second command and then press enter, and it will relaunch the Microsoft Store and you have to reinstall the gaming services and then it should work properly. I'll leave the codes down in the description, and after you install it, it will say here installed. You can exit out of this, you can exit out of this too, and simply relaunch the Xbox app and download the game. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Mistfall Hunter not installing on Xbox app. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.